I will introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad, but the others always call me with the slang name that is Max. I don't tell you about the story about Max.
It's a nickname, right?
Not nickname, slang name. I have the story. That is long story.
Long time in your childhood.
Because if I want to tell you about that story, that is later. Not now. Not enough time. Right? I'm studying English department in STK Anur. I first study at STK Anur. That is from 2014. Now I'm 5 semester. I late to continue my study at university because after I graduation my senior high school, I'm really busy with my job with the NGO other tsunami. Before that, I have I'm a seller. I have the shop, but after tsunami that is gone. Right? My point now about our topic. What the foreign language you want to learn and why?
Give a reason.
Give a reason.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
About the language, I'm really so many likes the language. I'm really like all the language, but I can't choose what the first, what the next, because I just want learn language if I have the friends for the speaking. If I not have friends for speak, that is the problem. For example, right? If you want to learn speak Korean, but some people now it has, and speak Thai. Thai is really hard to find.
สวัสดีครับ
people can speak Thai. Yeah.
สวัสดีครับ yeah.
You know, one time ago, I can speak Thai, but I lost my language because the last I go there and I been there is 1 year.
Come on, man. Seriously?
In Bangkok.
Bangkok.
And I have so many friends there. And then I learned speak Thai because I had to work in Bangkok. That is bad story and a really hard story. When I learned that, I mean many now about their culture, their job, everything, every place,
Daily life.
right? And then when I come back to Indonesia, in Aceh, firstly, that is when I find here, I come to find the friend to speak Thai. That is problem for me. Every year, every time, more than year, that is what we lost, and so many the vocabulary we can lose. But now, if some people speak Thai, I just can understand. Not all, just with one vocabulary, and I just can think. We can, we can think what they are means, the points from their speak. But if you want to speak, that is problem because, for example, I really lost my vocabulary, and then like a Mandarin language. Before that, I have the girlfriends with them in Taiwan. That is my story. I have a girlfriend from Taiwan. I learned to speak Mandarin with her. I speak Mandarin.
你好吗?
Yeah, that is how are you?
你好吗? Yeah, please.
Why I need like
谢谢
that?
谢谢 yeah.
No, what?
谢谢
谢谢
谢谢 I got it. Thank you. 谢谢
that is she said thank you. 谢谢
谢谢 yeah. 谢谢
谢谢
谢谢 I got it. Thank
Not
you.
she. Sure, sure.
Sure. They're very funny, right, guys?
The Mandarin language, there is from the, from us. So many from the.
Tufi, Fidi, la carto mi caro amigo. La carto estas la blua, ĉu bone? Mi tre bon gusta por la carto mi caro amigo. La carto estas granda, ĉu bone? Kie? La carto iru mi caro amigo. La carto estas hejmen mi caro amigo. Pardonu min. La carto estas hejmen.
That is, before I pour, I am pour. You know pour? For that, I'm a really rich man, and I have so many the job. I have so many the salary. My income is so much, and then have some problem with my job. Can makes me poor, and have some good some friends takes my money gone. That is
Like fair weather friend.
yeah, other one. But that and now I will tell you about what the language I'm really want to learn. First, I'm really like to learn Dutch language,
Dutch. Ah.
because I have the adopted names in the Dutch. In Dutch.
Adapted.
Not Dutch, but Dutch.
Dutch.
Adapted.
Adopted. Adopted. You know, I mean adopted, non-adopted. Adopted names.
Darling.
Like maybe you know some people, but like your mother.
Yeah, sure.
Ah.
Very awesome, right? Adopted man.
Not,
No
not
one.
foster mother.
Yeah.
And the last 3 months ago, I have the communication, and her told me, so why you not come here again? I don't know yet, but I need the conclusion my study. When I finish my study, I will choose. So I still in Aceh or in Indonesia, or I will go with you, man,
Netherlands.
in Netherlands. Because here is my born. All of my family live here. And now when after money, my family is gone. Just in Aceh, just me here.
Hello, ich bin Musafir. Who hatted? Who hatted is how are you?
Who are you?
Who hatted?
That is Dutch language.
Yeah. Goed, niet goed. Wie ben jij? Dat is speak. Go on.
All right, thank you.
Go on, thank you.
Not just about Dutch. And then I need to learn the French.
Friends,
language.
salut, je m'appelle Musafir, comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Bonjour.
French or
Merci.
Italian.
Merci beaucoup. Hein?
French and Italian.
Oh, ciao, come stai? Molto bene, e tu? Da dove vieni? Parla inglese? Io metto. Grazie me, grazie tante.
Tante.
Yeah, grazie mille. Yeah, very awesome, man. I love that.
Because,
man. Love that.
I have learned the Italian language just three times,
Mashallah.
but that is not enough for me, because the teacher, my friends from Italian, that is not really have the much time for the
Much
teach.
time.
Because he's come here just for
Why?
No,
Just for what? Or just
Just
vacation?
tour.
Vacation. Oh, just touring. Yeah.
but when I get a tourist, right? What they are, how many, what the tourists come here, maybe so many tourists.
Yeah.
If they are from the Dutch, I learn Dutch a little
Yeah,
bit.
inshallah.
If they are
Thank you,
from
yeah.
Taiwan, I learn
สวัสดีครับ
Mandarins. But
Very awesome.
you know, a little bit. But
A little,
when
little.
I find the others again, I have the step, the first learn. You know, for example, I can speak their language. If not so great, just a little
Just
bit.
a little bit of vocabulary, right?
Yeah.
That's what I mean. I love that people.
But-
You know what?
But
I love
when-
you
yeah,
guys.
But when we found that, all right, we can speak out,
Mashallah.
and then we can tell. Can you teach me again?
Yeah.
For example, you know, what are you doing in Italian language? What can you speak?
Yeah. Parla
What?
inglese?
Yeah, like that. And then we can remind, or if you not remind, maybe can you write like that, and we can write.
I see.
Beside Italian language, we can write the English language. That is the point we can learn. If you learn with the course, alright, that is not perfect.
Perfectly.
If you want to be
A good professor.
short time and to be perfect learn easy, first you learn with speak.
Mashallah.
After speak about the write, you can write in letter. If you can speak, exactly, you can write.
Mashallah.
But if you can write, when you speak, that is hard because you don't know about the pronunciation. That is like, I come back to my points in the phonetic language
You're talking a lot,
Right.
man. I love it.
about
Almost
the
12.
nasal. What's from the nasal, vowel, what a different S and Z.
Mm.
You can hear it.
Yeah.
Like you can feel.
Interesting. True, right?
Yeah.
Trill.
Yeah.
True. That's I mean. For example, like you said is, you know, like many people say C. The right is S H E. What you speak, what you pronounce, that is like in the Arabic language. That is Sha.
Sha, ta,
Yeah.
sa.
She.
She. She.
Like if have the
She.
some cat, they are come at you eat, and you see is right.
Push.
Yeah.
She. That is the pronunciation. And like C, S E E, and S E E. That is different pronoun in the phonetic. C. And sick. Different, right? That's I mean. When your pronoun is good, people know when they are hurt, they all know what you mean. But if your pronoun is bad, right? They are just thinking what you mean.
Yeah.
That is the problem. Some people say, I don't understand what you
Yeah.
mean. Can you repeat again? That's the point. And then the reason why I choose learn Italian language
Mashallah.
because I have a good friends from Italian, and we are always the communication, but not just from a Facebook.
What's up?
Not just he's not use WhatsApp, just Facebook.
Facebook. Yeah.
And then he's married with a Thailand
Hey.
girl,
Mashallah.
Thai girl. And then, now he's still in the Thailand
You want to do something? No?
until now.
Because
Later.
later.
It's okay later.
And I would like to make the link with him and to make a good partner with some a job. Maybe for the a tourism, or maybe with other job,
Business maybe.
a business. Because if you use so many links with the other country in the foreign country, that is easy to you. For example, right? Are you remember Al-Kafi?
Al-Kafi.
Al-Kafi before?
Egal,
Do you know who a donated
Legit what?
to Al-Kafi? A donator. Donated.
Yeah.
That is from the other country.
Yeah, egal.
You can open like the organization. But we need a sponsor, we need a donative.
Yeah. I mean, fine.
Fine. If you have so many links with the other country, you can go. The first, you can tour. Alright. The second, you get the more link with the other, maybe with the government in other country, and everything if you want to do, that's easy to you in the future. If you have the problem, and then you can make a business. This you not just work to find money, but money will find you.
MashaAllah.
Money will come to you.
That's what I mean, right?
If you have the links,
Money make a dream, right?
Alright, if you have the link skill and you know what you want to do and what you have the program for in the future, what your business,
Yeah.
But I think, in my opinion, without link is nothing, right?
right? For
Link very
example,
important
right,
nowadays.
who people,
Inside people.
yeah,
Yeah.
who people not want just sit
No inside
like
people,
this,
but insider.
alright?
Insider.
Just sit like this, the money come,
Because they have links.
alright? You know why? Because have the what is it is the first they are have link, the structure have the project for a business. They are just like a people, you know, the hit master like that in the office, just write many the what is it? Many the documents come. Yeah, he's just a report and just give sign. Read a little bit, just sign. Money's come. But we have to more responsibility about what you want to do in the future.
I go.
Yeah.
Sure.
If you not have responsibility in everything, you in the future you not a success. That is the point. And the last suggestion,
MashaAllah.
loyal,
Loyal, yeah.
responsibility,
Responsibility.
patient,
Waiting, yeah.
patient, patient,
Patient.
patient. But some
Patient.
people say patient,
Patient,
patient.
yeah. Patient, yeah. Go.
If you have that, all you do that is easy. And if you have the problem, you just tell with the other, but you don't. Where are you? For example, maybe when you go, you have the trouble with your motorcycle, maybe, and you don't have money. You call your friends. You just say hi. Yeah. Hello. How are you? And where are you? Blah, blah, blah. What happened? Your friends will answer like that, right? But I can help you. So, not I just have the problem. My motorcycle is not good because I don't know. Suddenly my motorcycle turned off. Can you? If you have time, can you come here? Just a simple.
That's the meaning of loyalty. Man.
Yeah.
Loyalty.
Loyalty. Because why? Because you do first loyalty, and in the future your loyalty will come again to you. That is payback.
That's right.
Payback.
That's right. That's what I mean.
Yeah. That's my reason in Italian. Sorry, the more large with the other.
It's okay, man.
And the Thai, Italian, and
Dutch,
Dutch,
French,
but is I think is my
Mandarin, no?
Mandarins. I like to.
Yeah.
All the languages I like, but the problem for me about time.
Yeah, I got
The
it.
time that is the problem to me. But I need the regular schedule. That is regular schedule. If just every Tuesday, alright, every Tuesday. What time? 2. If I have, I can. If not, it's okay.
Yeah.
Because every people has a business.
I got it. Don't worry about that, man.
Right.
Don't order yourself,
But
right?
About time, if you want or really like to learn, you set the time. But if we don't know in the future we have problem or not.
Yeah.
Maybe when we go we have the trouble like that. We can manage time, but if the God give it, why not?
Yeah.
For example, like today, I'm not answer in the group. You know why? Because if I answer, I can. For example, like we have a meeting, and then before I go to the tourism
HPI.
FBI
Tourism
HPI.
Organization Indonesia.
Association.
Yeah, association. Tourism Association Indonesia.
Tourism Association Indonesia have a meeting.
Ah,
I can't
sure.
come because I have a double meeting.
Yeah.
Before that is meeting, I have a meeting. That is not clear.
Yeah.
Which one is more important?
Yeah, I got it.
Ah, for example, we do like this. This
Yeah.
meeting.
Yeah.
All right, and then I forget if just a different half hour
Yeah.
have other meeting. And now you come in this meeting. It's not concrete. Can you left? No, because you don't have the point from that meeting. That is problem for me because the schedule is double.
Double. That's it.
Contradiction.
My contradiction. And then what is the last? All every the language I like to learn. The first, I really have to more learn about my English.
Yeah, I got it.
You know why? Because I think my English not so
Me
really
either.
Me
Right.
too. I have to learn more.
No, man, you are like this
You
speaker
know-
whole the world, right? I can't
Why?
find you people like you, man.
No, you know, some people can tell, oh, your English is good, but for me, it's not enough for me until
Yeah, I
now.
got it. Every
why?
know enough.
Because-
People do it all the way.
I need more about now about English until English roots.
Yeah.
If I get it, all right, all the language is easy
Yeah.
for me because you know the international language that is English language, and then if you want to learn other language, if you can read English language, that is easy to me.
I got it.
That's my point. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Waalaikumsalam wabarakatuh. Inshallah. Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you. Let me finish this video. You speak a lot. Almost 24 minutes. You know what? Thank you for watching my video. Maybe I would like to invite you. You have a lot of time, and then subscribe my video here. And then I would like give you a suggestion or many tips or tricks learn the language whole the world. Dan kon for video mia film mia karamico. Ne forgesu subscribers mia video mia karamico. Mi bolas aldonos multa da video kami da film da mundo mia karamico. Ne sur la learning la muda linfo, ne sur la angla linfo, kai la hispana linfo, kai la espanyola linfo, mi tre bongusta kar mi chatas aldonu la mia filmon mia karamico. Nun bon follow ne forgesu subscribers mia video maker miko mi bolas aldon multa da filmon multa da videon kai multa dal multa ya yo mete la multa dan boleh learning la multa dan follow jis la revideo kai jis poste me itu ji